Merry Christmas, happy holidays, happy mid-winter, whatever you call it. I wish we can sit around the table, drink some hot drink and talk about the things what been happening within these 2 years. This is one of the things which we're missing most at the moment. We who grown up in the countries where there's snow, we never will get this feeling here. Especially in the last 2 years when we are not really busy during this time, we feeling it really a lot. Anyways, I'm the person who needs the snow to have this feeling of the Christmas or I don't know, any winter holidays. Here I cannot get it, but it's really different. Previously I was compensating it with a lot of work because this was the busiest time of the year. Of course, Christmas and New Year always been the busiest time of the year, and we were too busy to think about all this stuff previously. But now, when there is not so many people around us, so we feeling it. It's like a little bit feeling loneliness, if I can say it. I really hope next year everything will be a little bit different. I really believe that something will start to look like a little bit normal, and we will be able again to meet and talk and dive together. That's, I think, one of the most important things at the moment personally for me. We are still lucky to have ocean and mountains and each other. Like I said in a previous episode, really heavy typhoon hit Philippines, and place where we've been living with Laura for such a long time. And now it's completely, absolutely damaged. So many people missing, so many people lost their lives and houses and place to live. Food. There's no food, there is no electricity. Next time when they will get electricity will be after a couple of months. There is no connection. You cannot call them and ask what they need. And you cannot really understand what's going on there. Sometimes they finding the place, they're going to the Cebu city and sending some messages, but at the moment it's absolute disaster there. And I've been watching the photos from the places which I know really well, like for example Canyon Kavasan waterfalls. They are you cannot imagine how it looks like now. Here is some photos how it looked before and how it looks now. And the same thing is also about the mall ball, where we spent so much time, which we called our home previously. It's absolutely it looks absolutely different at the moment. It's all damaged, it's just a simply disaster there. If you have any willing to help that place, just let me know, then I will find the people who will do all the coordination about how you can help them. I would love to just simply go there and help, but it's impossible since Philippines doesn't allow anyone to enter at the moment, and yeah, they are closed for anyone. The situation is pretty bad, and like I said, I wish I can be there. Once again, happy holidays and see you on the next one. Bye.